The way everything is going on in this country, it shows that we don't have a president. We don't have any president leading us. The wife of the president, Aisha Buhari, Hajia Aisha Buhari, she want us. She want us. Before the election time, she said that they have hijacked her husband's office. Few people have hijacked her husband's office. That where are men of the Nigeria? Where are the Nigerians who voted for her husband? Where are they that they could allow few people, just few numbers of people, to hijack her husband's office? She warned us, we didn't hear. She talked about it, we didn't hear. She tried to give us signal, we didn't hear. She tried to enlighten us what is going on and what she is going through. We didn't hear, and we could not have the eyes to see what is going to happen. Everybody was silent. The men of Nigeria were silent. People were so silent about it. Look at what is happening now. Can you tell me that we have a president in Asarok? Then there will be a gunshot. Somebody will shut the air. Somebody will be threatening the wife of the president. And there will be scandals, there will be problems, there will be fighting here and there. There will be issues going on. We don't have a president. The presidency should stop deceiving Nigerians. They should stop deceiving us. We have had enough of this. We are tired. We cannot continue like this. And the best thing to all this problem, the best way to sort it out, is to divide this country. Let the Biafrans go their way. Let the Northerners be here and keep ruling themselves the way they want it. Because we can no longer take it anymore. We can't be in a country whereby there is no security, economy is not working, nothing is moving on. It's all about crisis, problem, killings. This government has failed us. Whoever that is patrolling himself in that Asarok claiming is the Muhammadu Buhari that we used to know. It's unfortunate he's not the one. In as much as when he left Nigeria before, I was still a very young child. But then, history will always tell that he is a strong man. He's a man of his words. If at all he's the one there, I don't think that all these things will be happening. A lot of things is going on. Everything is going wrong in this country. Everything is going wrong. And they want to silence everybody not to talk. They want to silence everybody not to speak on the issues of ground. I mean, you guys should try and bring peace to this country in the sense that divide this country. Divide it. Yes, we are saying it, because if there's no division, there will always be problem. There will always be problem. Things are going out of hand. Since the days of Abakari, even the present person that they said he is our president, he looks more like, even his face doesn't even look like the present one who was there before the days of Abakari. This one has a different look. I mean, you guys are you people not seeing all this packaging, all these things you're doing? Why are you people deceiving yourselves? You just take Nigerians to be fools because nobody is talking. And even if you think with all these things you people are doing, that someday, sometime, the anger of God will not be upon you all. This is a great nation. This is a great country that you people have turned it upside down. In the sense that who is ruling us is not our president. He is not. Because if he is the same person we used to know, there will be no gunshots in Aso Rock. That is it. Even the wife of the president, she said it, that some few men have hijacked her husband's government. So that same person there, he is not our president. Because if he's our president, all these things will not be happening. I mean, we United Nations, American government, please come and rescue this country. Come and rescue this country. We don't want to be one Nigeria anymore. We want to go our way. Biafrans want to go their way. Everything is happening. If you say the truth, they want to kill you. If you say the truth, they want to get you arrested. We will keep saying the truth. Let them come and kill us, and the whole world will know that they kill us because we are saying the truth. How can you be turning around with the life of people? How can you be doing this to this great nation? Our president cannot do it. Why can't he resign? Why can't that person over there resign? How about Allah? I mean, no. Abubuwan ma sun yi yawa. Sun yi yawa sun kai ma mutanen nan wanda kowa sai ya fito yayi magana. Wanda kowa sai ya fito yayi magana. Me aka? Akan ku aka samu mulki ne? Akan ku aka samu mulkin kasan nan? Ku dinga tonin da Najeriya yanda kuka ga dama? Ku dinga tonin da kasan nan yanda kuka ga dama? Sai ka ce wani personal gidanku ne? Yau president ɗinmu a ce kaza, gobe a ce kaza, jibi a ce kaza. To yayi resign mana bi sabilillahi. Yayi resign mana. Yayi resign mana bi sabilillahi. In kasa ta gagare shi yayi resign mana. Dole ne? Me abin dole a wajen? Babu security, ba abinci a kasa, ba komai. Bayan matansa ta fito ta yi gama mutane, ta gama Nigerians cewa an yi hajjakin mulkin mijinta. Cewa ina in Nigeria suke? Ina mazajen Nigeria suke? Ina matasan Nigeria suke? Ba wanda yake cewa komai? In kai magana a ce za a daure kan, kai magana ko a ce za a kashe ka? Mu kan dai mun gaji, mu kan dai za mu ci gaba da magana. Su in fact wannan komai ya ishe kowa a kasan nan. Komai ya ishe mutane. Komai ya ishe mutane. Ni kuwa ban da abin da kuwa zan ce, amma Ubangiji ya Allah yana gani duk abubuwan da suka shirya, duk kullakullansu. Allah sai ya tozarta su wata rana. Allah sai ya tona musu asiri. Allah sai duk kullakullansu, Allah sai ya buɗe kaman da suka shirya a kasan nan. Allah sai ya tozarta su. Kowa kuma zai ci, kowa kuma zai gani. Haka kuwa za su sha kunya. In an yi duniya dan manzon Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, wallahi tallahi kukan da ku jira lokaci ne, amma wallahi sai kun sha kunya. Saboda kasan nan kun wargaje kasa, kun dagula kasa. Allah ya isa.